OS family, and hopping straight into this week's breakdown of the path. We have dollar index. I already did a big chart and everything moving into this week, so we just waiting for the market to open. So with this analysis, I'll just be recapping everything that we had from the last market analysis and recap, and this one. So from the last one I post, we were expecting lower prices where we seen it unfold. We haven't hit exactly the level that I was looking at as yet. We still have the sell side underneath here. The swing, I have this swing sell side liquidity as the draw, because if we go any higher time frame from the monthly perspective, that particular low, that particular liquidity pool, if we pan out to the daily chart, it would give us here, but we can clearly see the swing low is the monthly order block, so I can anticipate price to still want to get down into there. So obviously if that's the case, that means since that the dollar index corrected after the big impulsive move up from the 17th, if it corrects in here, then that means we'll be looking for higher prices for pound and subsequently euro, right? So if you go to the charts, but before I go to the price action on pound, even if we look at this low where the move started to the high where it started to get, well, we'll definitely be in a premium market, and we started to see breakdown from this high and this low. Right here is the midway point. From this low to this high, right about here would be midway. So if we split that up, here be premium, and down inside of here would be discount. So obviously from in relation of this low to this high, if we see some move upwards, it will, well, how I would see it until we still bearish, because I think we want to go down from the higher time frame, low to high perspective. Discount zone will be underneath into the monthly order block area. If we see price trade up for this week, like Tuesday or Wednesday high, that will be normal, expected, because we have the weekly order block inside of here. We have the buy side liquidity pool here. We have a big down day, which was what, Thursday, I believe. So Tuesday was CPI. So we have a lot of imbalances. So obviously, if price trade up, that just means, well, how I would see it would be, we have a weekly order block. We also have a daily breaker in here, and I would just be seeing it as, okay, we bearish for the moment. Tuesday high of the week, Wednesday high of the week, maybe even Thursday high of the week might take us quite back up in here. Not saying we'll go that high, but and obviously if that's the case, then I'll hop it over to here. We would see that we will get lows in here, but seeing that we're so close to the draw on foreign to we see Friday trade down, take out these lows. Again, we were bullish since the Tuesday, the 3rd. Remember the last market breakdown? If you look on the forward chart, we saw that we respected the discount our raise from the 3rd and the 4th over here. This is where we found support and we started to go up. So we traded down here Wednesday, Thursday, clearing out these lows, and then we continue the up move. Trade down into here, respected this order block in here, and then we trade up for CPI, PPI. This was FOMC, and then this was CPI, PPI week inside of here. So the draw Friday, trade up. Friday to actually trade down first, take out the sell side. This was Wednesday and Thursday lows, just by a little bit, a couple pips, and then now Friday from there, impulsive move up. So seeing that, how I'm back to be bullish while foreign correcting, well, dollar index correcting, sorry. The draw for me going into next week would be these highs here, right? Any move down, I could also see that as just a correction from for Tuesday CPI, which would be expected. Just like our dollar index, we would expect a correction there, and weekly profile would be the normal Tuesday, Wednesday lows. We buy for the expectation to go up, but for Monday, since we're so close to the buy side liquidity, what we took Tuesday buy side. We still have Wednesday and Tuesday, which is in close proximity from a higher time frame perspective. I would be bullish going into Monday. So I expect Monday to trade into this 1 and 4 hour breaker and 1 hour order block in here. Once I see it trade into this liquidity pool at London, or even New York, obviously, but preferably London, I would go long with the expectation that we trade up into the first low hanging objective fruit would be this 15 minutes swing high, which would be the news driver for Wednesday. It had a news driver Wednesday that push prices down. The draw prices right here. So I expecting if I get to buy on the order block, I would hold for this and here at least. There's a low hanging fruit, but the first one will be Wednesday high. And Wednesday high was at 2. That drive prices down, and so maybe this was PPI. Drive prices down some more. So I'll aim for this and this. So Wednesday high, which is equal highs with Tuesday. And then if we're still breaking over, obviously I'm looking at the target up here. But for Monday, if we trade down, I will look to get a buy because it's currently a premium. So anything inside of here, we're looking for longs to take out this high and then Wednesday high going up into Tuesday. So that is really it. Again, like whatever I do here would be the same thing for pound. For euro, if we just glance at the euro chart, we see euro been making the higher moves. Euro since Tuesday, euro been trading above any premium, still respecting it. So that telling me we still have a lot of bullishness coming into the market for foreign versus the US dollar. That is. So it's a quick breakdown. And again, I'll be recording all the trades and posting them. So I'll get you guys this week. I really want to rest because I spent a lot this whole year really on the chats. I want to get more moves this week. If I could get more target percentage tomorrow, I'll take it and I'll done for the week. If not, I will at least take tomorrow and look to get position and hold whatever trade I leave on to see if that can rally up. Might want to leave on one lot and allow that to go up to see if I can get the weekly high. If I get in at the low, to see if that low will be the low of the week. If not, then I'll use the normal weekly profile. But when I get the majority of my quota this weekend, if I can get 3% this week, that'd be really good because that's my weekly quota. As long as I get that, I'll be done for the week, so I can rest the rest of the couple of weeks and just focus on something else. So definitely will keep you guys up to date. I mean, I really liking this. This is some fun stuff. I found my model, I understand price. Now I had to stop. My problem at the moment now is just me trying to gain at the best price, and I mean, it's not a bad problem because I have the tools to look at it and I understand when the turning points once we in a particular higher time frame or of institutional order flow. I understand it, but I guess I'm facing the problem of knowing what I'm looking for and just greed. Then don't do it too often. So I guess the message will be: once you find your model, just be content with it and understand discipline and don't get too greedy. Yeah. For lack of a better term. Anyways, catch you guys back more than likely at the end of the week where I'll just recap all the trades that I took this week, and just like we're doing today, the next move expected for the following week. So catch you guys Friday.